So what is it doing right now? Like,
it presses and it moves in and out.
all right, today we're gonna bring a over-the-shoulder massager. Now this one out of the box, you need to recharge it. It's chargeable. You can take it with you on the travel. There's an actual travel case with it. Now a couple of features you should know: power, reverse, different modes, only 2 speeds, slow and fast, and then the heating unit. Now to turn it on, when you turn it on, look how it spins. All right. Now not just for your shoulders, but your waist, your back, your legs. For any kind of injuries, you want to make sure you massage it. This is it. When it's red, it's because the heater's on. You could turn it off and still get that massage going. All right. Now this is very durable. This material, the cloth is very soft. Now one of the most important things I'm going to show you guys, that if people use it in sweat, you could actually wash the entire unit. You could take out the actual essentials out of this and wash this. All right, separate. There is a zipper in the side of it. You guys can see there's a zipper that goes all around the lining, and that's to take out the whole unit out and make sure that you could wash it. All right. Now this material, once you use it, you don't really need to wash it. It just continues to actually monitor and maintain it nice as it is, and just charge it. That's all pretty much you have to do. Now, the charging station is a long cable. They give you a 7-foot cable. Charging, and it'll last you for a long time. All right. Now the cable, you could actually hide the cable within the zipper too. The handle here, these handles are just to put your weight on it. So the more pressure you do, the more weight you put on it, the more pressure you're gonna get on the actual massage. All right. See a specialist if you're ever gonna start using these machines for any kind of therapy or so. All right. So out of the box, ready to go, easy to use, makes a great gift or for yourself. All right, we got our power, reverse, speeds, and this is the heat. All right, if you turn it up to heat, look at this. You can actually see the light of it, and then these things hang on to your hand, and the pressure comes from your hand. All right,
yeah, so you can move it around.
You can move it around, and then I'm gonna show you the other ways you can use it with, not just your neck. How's the back?
And then it's the one where they put like the towel over you, right? Lower back is great. Like put it down by your waist. Oh. That's the stuff right there.
And then you can go reverse or forward.
You ordered Uber Eats.